A warm welcome to everyone from the SalesPanda team. In this particular segment of the series, we will learn in depth about marketing on Twitter. Twitter is a microblogging site in that it allows users to post their thoughts, also known as tweet. A tweet can be of a maximum 280 characters. It is the number one platform for discovery. That is, 79% of people on Twitter like to discover what's new. In Q1 2019, the company stated it had 330 million monthly active users. 500 million tweets are sent every day. Tweets with hashtags get 100% more engagement. In India, Twitter has a 13.15 million user base. People watch 2 billion videos on Twitter per day. That's 66% year-on-year growth in 2019. These stats prove that Twitter is an important part of the entire digital marketing landscape and could be very beneficial for businesses. Let's look at how we can incorporate Twitter into our overall social media strategy. Let's create a Twitter profile. Go to www.twitter.com and sign up to create a new account. Add details like your name, email ID, phone number, verify your email ID and set a password. Then add a profile picture or your company logo. Describe yourself in the bio. We will skip this step for now and come back to the bio later. Select the languages you speak and the topics you are interested in. Based on the details shared, Twitter will suggest profiles for you to follow. You may select now or do so later. You may choose to receive notifications or skip it. That's it, the account is created. It's a very easy and quick process to create your Twitter account. You can create your Twitter account, also known as a Twitter handle, for your personal use or for your business and professional use. On the right-hand side, Twitter will show the current trending topics based on your location and followers. We will know more about trends and its significance in a detail later. Now, click on Edit Profile to add more details about your profile like your location, website URL and your bio. Make your bio stand out by communicating clearly about yourself or your business. Focus on drafting your bio that gives the person visiting your profile a reason to follow you. Also include keywords related to your business in the bio. You can add other URLs like link to your LinkedIn account, Facebook account or your YouTube channel. Also add a banner image for your Twitter handle. The banner image can also be used to communicate about you or your business. Use it as an opportunity to share your elevator pitch. You can also change your username on Twitter to make it easier for people to search or share it. For this, go to Settings and Privacy. Click on Username and update it with an available username. Let's now understand how to tweet. In a tweet, you may add images, videos, GIFs, and can also create a poll question. For creating a poll question, click here. Ask the question, give choices, and define the time period for which the poll will be active. Once done, click Tweet. You can also tag accounts in your tweets. Twitter also allows you to schedule your tweet so that it can be posted at a specified time. Click on the 3 dots, then click Schedule Tweet. Choose the desired date and time for the tweet and confirm. If you want to post a normal tweet, add the text you want to, add corresponding media, add hashtags and click Tweet. Let's look at hashtags in detail since they are an important part of Twitter. People use hashtag before a keyword or a phrase in their tweet to categorize them and make it easily searchable. Hashtags index keywords or topics and allows users to follow the topics that they are interested in. You can use as many hashtags in your tweet as you want to. That said, Twitter recommends using at the max 2 highly relevant hashtags in your tweet. The hashtags that become very popular are trending topics, or better known as trends on Twitter. If you can include a hashtag which is of a trending topic, it can quickly show your tweet to everyone discussing that topic. People often search in Twitter using hashtags. Let's take an example of hashtag financial services. The search results show up top, latest, people, photos and video tabs. Results shown in the top indicate the top tweets using the hashtags and those that are getting maximum engagement. Latest tab shows the latest tweets from everyone tweeting using the hashtag. People shows you the top accounts to follow that are associated with the hashtag. Photos show tweets having photos and using the hashtag you have searched for. Similarly, results under video tab will show tweets with videos using the hashtag. You can also search using multiple filters on Twitter. Click Advanced Search. It will show you multiple options to streamline your search, like the words or phrases your search result should contain, hashtag the tweets should have, or tweets from, to or accounts mentioning the search string, the engagement the tweet has received, and define specific time period for the tweet. Let us look at an example of using the word invest, hashtag as hashtag mutual funds, and search for tweets with minimum 100 likes. The search results will be as shown. We can also save the search results to come back to it later. Twitter also provides you analytics. On the left navigation pane below, click on the three dots and select Analytics. If you are viewing it for the first time, switch on the Analytics. It provides us a 28-day summary for our profile. You can also change the time period and select the time frame you want to analyze as per your requirements. It also shows the best performing tweets and the top followers. If we click on Tweets tab, it will show details like number of impressions of the tweet, top tweets, tweets and replies, engagements, engagement rates, link clicks, retweets, and average number of likes and replies daily. When you click on More and select Videos, Twitter provides you insights about the videos you have tweeted. This includes number of views over the selected time period, video views, completion rate, total minutes viewed, and average time for which the viewers watched the video. In this session, we looked at Twitter as an organic marketing tool. We created a Twitter profile, optimized it, looked at the concepts of hashtags, trends, search in Twitter, and analytics. This video is created by Team SalesPanda. SalesPanda is an advanced marketing automation platform for channel partners, delivering efficient and easy-to-use channel marketing solutions for resellers, distributors, partners, agents, and dealers. SalesPanda platform has made wide-scale applications in various industry verticals, including mutual fund and financial services, insurance, real estate, information technology, etc. SalesPanda is an easy-to-use, hassle-free, and scalable SaaS-based platform designed to help brands and their channel partners optimize their digital reach in no time. For more such videos about digital marketing, subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new video.